Welcome to the installation video for Dell EMC VNX Block. First, we're going to cover system compatibility, then creating a least privileged user, followed by installing the management pack and configuring the adapter instance. For the documentation, please visit docs.vmware.com. In there, you can type in True Visibility Suite Documentation. Clicking the first link, that'll bring you a list of all the adapters, and we'll scroll down to Dell EMC VNX. Both file and block are included in the documentation. Today we're going to be focusing on the block. So under system requirements, you'll see a couple things that need to be installed. Navisec CLI is going to be required for VNX block, and then we'll need to create a least privilege user. You can get the Navisec CLI RPM for your Linux servers off from Dell's Enterprise Support website. And after you SCP that to your server, or download it in this format here, using a curl command, we can go ahead and install it. So first, we're going to be doing an RPM-IVH, in this case *.rpm. So we get the Navisec CLI installed. You'll see some more information in the output where the script is located. So you do just a basic install. Everything's going to be located in opt navisphere bin. So we're going to run the set level CLI command, and we're going to set this to either low or medium. In my case, I'm going to do low. Just going to double check that Navisphere is in that opt navisphere bin directory. There's Navisec CLI right there. So we're going to copy this output directory because we may need it later for the adapter. We just need to copy opt navisphere bin. Now on to creating a least privilege user, we're going to load up the EMC Unisphere, go to user management, and then local users for block. There you'll see a list of any existing user. And if you've already followed the file configuration, we're going to use the same username there. It's not required, but it makes things easier. And then the role is going to be operator. Now that that's created, we can move on to the management pack installation. So if we go up to the administration tab, then repository, there's an add/upgrade button. Go ahead and upload the adapter. There's two options on this page: install if it's already installed, and reset default content. And those are going to be only used on an upgrade. This part here has been greatly sped up for the video. It'll take much longer in your environment. Once it's been installed, we can go down and hit Add Account under VNX Block. We can give it a friendly name. This will just be something to help you identify it. So if you have more than one instance of VNX Block, you may want to name it something more specific. We'll add our credential that we have just created. So we'll give that a friendly name as well. And then our user was VNX LPU. Now we can specify our storage processor. This is the Navisec CLI path that we copied out because we did everything default that's already filled in. But if anything's different on your system, you'll have to replace it with the location that we copied earlier. And then we'll hit validate connection. This test was successful, so we'll go ahead and click add. Now, during the first collection cycle, it'll be in a warning state. After a couple minutes, it'll change to green. If you have any additional questions, please contact your VMware representative. Thank you.